What's going on, guys? A pretty big news story that went around a couple of weeks ago is apparently completely false. And this news story involves the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and that device's camera module. I reported on this rumor here on this channel, but also, like every website on the face of the earth, also reported on this news report. And this report was made by a leaker on Twitter who had been relatively accurate in the past, relatively trusted. But if you look here, if you go on Google, you'll see that everybody jumped on this story that the Z Fold 4 will be rocking a 108 megapixel sensor. Now, this initial tweet, this initial leak rumor came from this tweet from Anthony the Galox _ Z Fold 4 will be Samsung's first foldable with a 108 megapixel main camera. This is something that was just stated as if it was true. Confidence seemed to be very high, and as I just showed you, everyone took that to be from a reputable leaker to be gospel, so everyone reported on it. And it made sense, right? Because the 108 megapixel sensor was not a new thing for Samsung. You know, this was something that had been in their prior devices already. It didn't seem that crazy. It didn't seem like something that was totally out of the realm of possibility. But now we pretty strongly feel here, based on a couple of things, that this report, I don't know where this report came from. I'm not going to tell you that Anthony was just straight up being dishonest. I think that he thought this was accurate, but now I don't think he thinks that this is accurate any longer. And we're going to talk briefly at the end of this about kind of what that means, the leak community, how these things can be so wrong, how everybody jumps on it, and how I was guilty of that as well. But first, we need to talk about what the new word is and where it's coming from. So the latest bit of information here comes from Ice Universe. He is stating 50 megapixel primary sensor, which would be, again, reasonable, okay? The S22 and S22 Plus are using a 50 megapixel main sensor. A 12 megapixel ultra wide. Now, we had heard rumors of a 10 megapixel 3x telephoto. He's saying 12. Is it a 12? Is it a 10? Is it a 50? Is it a 108? And then you factor in here that Anthony himself tweeted this. I can't say I'm surprised with the Z Fold 4 having a 50 megapixel main camera. Previously, it was leaked that it would have a 108, but then when these renders came out, there was no laser autofocus sensor on them. And if you know anything about this 108 megapixel sensor, the first iterations of it, there's a lot of focus hunting. They had to add in the laser autofocus and had to do a lot of software tweaks to make that work. If you remember, like I said early on, video in particular, trying to focus on a close-up subject with the first Samsung devices with that sensor focus hunting, big problem. So we didn't see laser autofocus. 50 megapixel main camera is where we're at. Now, to me, it's a little bit disappointing to have someone tweet on April 9th so confidently, this is what's happening, and then on May the 14th say, I can't say I'm surprised that I was completely wrong. And I don't want to just dump on Anthony here because I don't know what the backstory is. I don't know what's happened here. Did he get good word it was the 108, and maybe it was at one point, and then they changed it late in development? We just don't have that information. But we need to understand something here. When these reports come out, and they come from someone who's been right about stuff in the past, we all have this instinct to bring this information to our audience. We want to tell you guys about it. This is exciting news. We bring this information to you, but we have to keep something in mind here. Even when these people, these leakers, state things with such confidence, we need to be continually communicating to take these things with a pinch of salt. These things may not be accurate. And then you get people that say, why even report on this stuff if it might not be accurate, if it might be wrong, it might be right? Why even bother bringing this information to you? And I'll say that there's a couple of reasons. But the primary reason for me is because, and this may be something that some of you don't understand. If you don't understand this, I'm not really sure what you're doing on this channel because I see things very differently, but I think it's entertaining. I don't think it hurts anybody. I think that it's actually entertainment. I think it's fun to speculate. Wow, we're going to get a folding phone that might have a 108 megapixel sensor. And as long as we don't, say something dishonest and say it's going to be this, as long as we can talk about it as speculation, as rumor, I don't think there's any harm in it, and I think that it can be fun. But we have to be careful about this because, like I said, everyone reported on this to suggest everything we know to upgrade. How are we wording these things? Are we accidentally being dishonest? And if that's something that I've been guilty of, if I've worded something incorrectly, then that's something that I shouldn't do. I'm going to, especially given this is a pretty big one to flip-flop on. So this is something I'm going to keep in my head going forward, that even though I try to be careful about this, I'm going to be extra careful going forward about how I word things. And we're going to continue on this channel to talk about rumors, to talk about speculation, but to talk about it in the world of fun, as someone who loves tech, who loves upgrades, not as someone who necessarily is like this brand versus that brand. This brand sucks and this brand. This is meant to be fun. This is meant to be entertaining as much as it is informative. And when we talk about things like this 50 megapixel sensor or the 108, you know, when I turn around and I tell you, hey, the Vivo X Fold, look at the camera system on it, 50 megapixel main, 8 megapixel periscope, 12 megapixel 2x, 48 megapixel ultra wide. And we then can say, well, okay, well, what would that mean? How would that camera performance stack up against something like this if this was true? Okay, we can still have these discussions. We can still imagine, and we can still ruminate on how this might play out, even though it is rumor, it is speculation, and you should take it with a pinch of salt. Don't bet on these things. It can still be fun. So guys, that's kind of where we're at now. I don't really know what to tell you about this Z Fold camera, okay? Because the most recent rumors in Ice Universe is almost never wrong about this stuff, but I'm really curious about this 12 megapixel 3X, because that is a little bit out of left field as well. At any rate, I think the software is going to be the biggest thing, but definitely a camera upgrade coming. It basically looks like, if this is true, the S22 and the S22 Plus camera system is coming to the Fold 4, which would be an upgrade for sure. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you on the next one. And until next time, stay nerdy, my friends.